I did it! I got out of the house without Garfield tagging along. Liz is gonna be so happy, and wait till she sees the box of candy I got her.
Pooey! Coconut. Yick.
What's wrong with Garfield is probably an allergy. What's he eaten lately?
Pizza, lasagna, chocolate pie, stew, lamb, veal, chop suey, a couple of tacos, knockwurst, pastrami and rye, tapioca pudding, soup.
He's eaten all that this week?
No, that was just breakfast today. I should have known he was sick when he had no appetite. Gesundheit, Garfield. Now, for lunch, he had a little more...
What would you recommend?
Garfield?
I thought you were going to leave him home, John.
So did I.
It all looks so good. Bring me an order of everything with a side of everything else. Not hungry? Don't worry, I'll finish it. Not bad.
Excuse me. Pardon me. Excuse me.
Why didn't you get a small popcorn?
This is a small. The large comes in a coliseum.
Inspector, I may have...
I'm allergic to something.
I have examined all...
What if it's lasagna? How would I survive? I'd sneeze a lot.
Did you have to bring him along?
If I'd taken him home, we'd have missed the movie. Shh. I want to hear who the murderer is.
I have examined all the clues.
What if I'm allergic to cat hair? I'd have to shave every day. I'd look like a chihuahua.
And at last I've solved. The Duke was murdered by none other than...
That does it. John, if you can't take care of this cat, you don't have time for me.
Liz, wait. Don't go. I'll take him home. Well, now you've done it, Garfield. Ruined everything. I'll probably never see Liz again. I hope you're happy.
I am. My sneeze is gone.
And take your coat. It's scaring folks. Garfield, it's my new sport coat that's making you sneeze.
Sure. Looks that way.
Hey, you got any spare change?
Here, have a coat. Sorry it's not more of an improvement over the way you're already dressed.
Hey, not bad. Thanks, pal.
Well, we solved one problem, but I still lost Liz.
John, I was thinking, you really do love that cat. I mean, you'd have to. And someone who loves animals like you do is worth another chance.
Oh, yes. Yes, I love animals.
If you love me, you'll feed me.
Let's try it another night, okay?
Well, Garfield, I guess you're worth having around after all.
About time you realized that.
Come on, we'll stop and get burgers on the way home. Except that my car keys and wallet are in that coat. Hey, come back here, that's my coat. Bring back my coat.
Boy, 1 minute they love you, the next minute they drop you. People. Go figure.